Hello everyone. Are you using Podio for your team? Let's talk about efficient task assignment. When a lead enters our seller lead app, it triggers tasks for lead managers and acquisition managers. We have successfully implemented this for many clients. In this video, we will guide you through it, from start to finish. If you are interested in a customized task assignment to proceed, reach out to us. Let's dive into the video. So firstly, we'll create a seller lead. You can add a new seller lead by clicking here. Add a new seller lead by providing the following information. I will select the options according to the type of desired seller lead. Now the seller lead will be saved by clicking here. Input the desired property link. Here it shows that due diligence is required. Here the task is assigned to the lead manager and an internal notification is also sent to the lead manager. Now we will change the lead status from due diligence required to due diligence completed. To do so, we will click here. When the lead manager marks the due diligence task as completed, then the lead status will be set to due diligence completed. Click on the lead manager section. Now click on the seller's lead. Here the lead status is now showing as due diligence completed. You can see a new task will be assigned to the acquisition manager to create an offer. Now we will start to work on the acquisition manager by clicking here. Here you can see the desired task. Click on the related lead profile to see the information of the seller lead that we have already created. By clicking on Create Offer, the offer will be created. To see the offer that has been created, click here. Now change the offer status to completed by clicking here. Click on Seller Lead 1 profile. Now we will work on assigning the task to the disposition manager. Once the offer is accepted, a contract will be sent to the seller, and when the seller completes the contract by signing it, a new task will be created for the disposition manager to find and make a deal with the buyer. When the buyer is found, the disposition manager will send the contract to the buyer to make the deal completed.